This is just a simple riding for kickstart adventure and also showcasing about the single tracks which many riders falling in love in Cambodia. So with kickstart adventure we have so many different type of ridings and also packages that are available on our website. Just go ahead, kickstartcambodia.com. You find so many different type of riding. Either you want to do it leisurely adventure or you want to take it as your own personal sports. We all have this available for you, different guide, different levels, and also different type of bikes. Harley is a bit of story that an Australian guy come here and extend his visa over a month stay just to do dirt bike riding with us. And this is the last ride that he's done, is he choosing on a dirt bike with XR and I'm going on a dual sport tire. So we do a little chase up for 4 hours as a goodbye before he come back again until the end of this year. CC rear sprocket 48 with 14. Mine also 14, super standard, not a 13 in the front sprocket on these dirt bike. We use it standardly for kickstart adventure to go on technical terrain. So come with us for 2 minutes in a corner trails.
One of the funnest bikes you can ride. Let's go.
Let's keep going. Woo!